Alright, may tanong dito si Sir Juji. Paano sir kung ang lupa ay galing or award ng land reform at hawak namin ang documents, may habol po ba yung dating may-ari? Okay, so ang tinutukoy nyo po ay yung tinatawag nating Certificate of Land Ownership Award from DAR. Okay? Now, para maging mas matibay ang pagmamay-ari nyo sa lupa, if dark LOA title ang hawak nyo, make sure na may mga supporting documents kayo ng inyong dark LOA title. So, ano nga ba yung mga supporting documents ng dark LOA title para mas concrete at matibay ang pagpapatunay na lupa nyo talaga yang ginawan ng dark LOA title. So unang-una, make sure na mayroong latest tax declaration. Okay? So dapat yung information na nakapaloob sa dark LOA title at sa latest tax declaration, yung isa is technical description, yung blueprint, SIPIA, at lastly yung certified true copy of dark LOA title na makukuha nyo sa Register of Deeds. Dapat lahat ng documents na na-mention ko ay present. Okay? At make sure lahat ng information ay the same. Like sa sukat, it's understandable kasi like sa technical description, kunyari 1 hectare, tapos sa title is more than 1 hectare, so it's understandable. Just make sure lang na same yung registered owner, yung address. Now, if wala kayong supporting documents doon sa dark LOA title nyo na na-mention ko, which means may habol pa yung may-ari. Kasi possible nabigyan kayo ng dark LOA title pero hindi pa na-cancel yung mother tax declaration or mother title. Ang dark LOA title kasi nag-i-exist yan, like halimbawa yung lote or agricultural land is more than 5 hectares, let's say 10 hectares, so yung 5 hectares para dun sa may-ari, at yung 5 hectares ibibigay yan ng gobyerno sa mga beneficiaries kung sino yung nagsasaka doon. At yung exist na 5 hectares, yun yung ginagawa ng dark LOA title. Meron kasing cases dito like dito sa Leyte na mayroong nabibigyan ng dark LOA title pero hindi naman sila yung tunay na may-ari. Okay? Again, to end this video or to answer your question, make sure na mayroon kayong supporting documents sa inyong dark LOA title para wala nang habol yung dating may-ari. Pag wala kayong supporting documents, possible yan may habol pa yung dating may-ari. Okay, so as a thank you, please like, share, and subscribe to our official YouTube channel. We have a saying, in a world where nothing is free, we make a difference. So dito po sa amin, we offer free consultation. So as a thank you, please like, share, subscribe, and follow sa aming YouTube channel. If you have questions pa, don't hesitate to leave comments with this video. At dun sa may mga katanungan din about land titling or any questions related to real estate, do not hesitate to comment po. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.